Hey writers, it's Megan coming at you live in Author Like a Boss. Happy Friday, unless you're in Australia, then happy Saturday. Australia's so cool, you guys live in the future. Other places do too, I know. I'm just obsessed with Australia. Um, I wanted to help you cheat time. Yesterday I gave the training about how you can get more writing time, and it sparked this thought in me, which was that one of the things that happens to us often is we get to the end of the week and we're like, oh, I didn't meet my goals. And we kind of get down, and it makes us not want to think about writing because it's like the thing hanging over our heads that we didn't get done. So we often ask you what your writing wins are in this group, but I want to just throw this out there. If this week you're having more writing lows than writing highs, if you're feeling like, oh, I didn't get done the stuff I wanted to, I want to offer you guys a way to cheat and squeeze a little bit more productivity out of this week. And it's really easy. You don't have to be inspired. You don't have to write 1,000 words. You don't have to plan your next chapter. All you need to do is gain the knowledge that will accelerate your week next week and the weeks after that as well. So do you see how that's a cheat? You're going to learn something you could do that's going to give you back some of your writing time, but it's not something that requires you to sit down and write. And it's something you can do while you're driving home, or while you're, I don't know, playing with your playing with your kids, something you can do and kind of multitask. Because it's coming to a live event with me and Ella this afternoon, where we're going to be talking you through what it means to author like a boss and helping you focus on the actions that will make you more productive. And this is something that will be helpful, again, for your coming writing week, but for all of your writing weeks down the road. So if you would like to end the week on a high note, if you would like to end the week feeling like, oh yeah, I just made a big investment in squeezing more productivity out of my writing time, and oh yeah, I'm a rock star, even, maybe I didn't write all of the time that I wanted to this week, but I'm ending the week on this high note. Come join us for the live event, How to Author Like a Boss. There is a link in the description of this video, and I will go ahead and put it in the comments as well. And it's just going to be about an hour, and there will be a chance to ask us questions and to hear about the strategies that we use with authors in the Author Boss Academy that accelerates them and helps them make the best use of their time. So a little cheat for you if you want to if you want to just squeeze the last little bit out of this week. Maybe it wasn't the productivity week that you hoped for. I totally hear that. But this will leave you on a high note, and this will give you some strategies that you can start applying right away so that you start getting more out of your writing time. Yes, most definitely, says Anne. Thanks, Anne. I love it. Okay, you guys also, this is so random, but I mentioned yesterday on the live that we're going to be doing a challenge in February. Oh, hey, Carrie. Oh, good. I'm so glad you signed up. That we're going to be doing a challenge in February that's all about tripling your productivity. And I just came up with my next sneaky plan about getting Ella to sing, and it's connected to this productivity challenge. So if you had a chance to watch Ella sing in the Book Launch Like a Boss group, you know how fun that is. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, just know that there are sneaky things afoot involving you all being highly entertained, Ella getting to sing, and us getting to hear her beautiful voice, and it'll all be part of ramping up for that February challenge of tripling your productivity. So stay tuned for that. I just came up with my devious plan, and I'm super excited about it. But that will be coming up to triple your productivity in February. But what you can do right now is join us for the live webinar later this afternoon, coming up in a couple of hours, and end the week making that commitment to getting more out of your writing time. And I really want to encourage you to come to the training today because after we walk you guys through the strategy, we're going to tell you how you can, start using it by getting into the academy. Hey, Trish, great to see you. And the price of the academy is going up at the end of January. So there is urgency to this. These strategies are strategies you're going to continue using for your whole author career. But the time to be able to get them for the low price of $39 a month in the Author Boss Academy is quickly running out. So if Author Boss Academy has been sounding interesting to you, you're ready to make that commitment to your writing, you're ready for the next step, you've been hanging out in this group, you're getting a lot of good information, and you're ready to up level it, you're really to accelerate, do yourself a favor, join us for the live event today. You'll get more information about the Author Boss Academy, and you'll get a chance to join while the price is still just $39 a month. All right, so again, here is the link to join us for that live event. We hope we'll see you guys there in a couple of hours. And I wish you a really happy end to your week. I hope you're reflecting on your wins and figuring out how you can get even more wins next week. All right, take care, everybody. See ya.